Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to go over some things about solar panels that you may or may not have known. Right now we are in a Rockwood ultralight, I believe. It is equipped with a Go Power system. So we have a solar panel already connected on the roof. We've got a battery already on the front of the coach. Things at your solar panel that you need to know about. First off, we're going to go to our display. Here at RV Wholesalers, we sell a deep cycle marine flooded battery. So on our display, we want to make sure that we are actually using the flooded battery system. If we're not on that, it's not going to properly charge the battery as it needs to. So depending on what kind of battery you have, you want to make sure your solar panel is properly set up for that one. There's dry cell batteries, there's lithium, there's AMG, and there's flooded. So you have different options that you want to make sure that your system is properly set up for. So when we're on our system, we want to make sure our system says flooded or whatever battery system that you might be using. That way it's getting the proper charge. Other things about your solar that you may not necessarily know about is you're only putting so much power back into the battery. So the majority of our coach here is powered off of 12 volt. Lights, slide, furnace, refrigerator, things along those lines run off our battery. Now, the solar panel will put back in a lot of power, but it all depends on how much power you're pulling out. So remember, if you're going to use the solar as a backup to something, if I'm going dry camping and I'm using batteries, you might want to think about the batteries that you're using. One battery when you're dry camping might not be enough, because if you're using the inverter to power up, let's say an outlet or several outlets, depending on how your coach is wired, that battery might not last but a couple hours. Now, if you change to multiple batteries, multiple solar panels, now you can gather more energy to put back in that battery while you're taking it out, while you're using it. So those are things you got to think about when you're doing solar, is how much am I going to use the coach while I'm just using my solar? Now, if you're using an inverter, whether it be for your outlets or depending on the coach, could be for a refrigerator, those batteries are going to drain a lot faster because of that 110 power transfer. So look into the kind of battery option that you have. The best ones that you can get out there are lithium. You're going to spend a lot of money, but they're going to last you a lot longer time if that's something that you're looking forward to doing as far as boondocking or dry camping, when you're just using solar to help recharge the battery. Maybe you have a portable generator, but you don't want to use it all the time. This system will help, but it's not going to support you the whole entire time. Think of it like a bucket of energy I've got going in. I'm pulling a lot out to run my coach, my lights, and whatever else I'm doing. Solar can only fill it so fast. If that solar is not putting enough in and I'm taking more out than I am, you might need to upgrade solar to multiple panels, or once again, like I said, a different battery. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.